Welcome to the L7 Performance Suite Quick Start Guide. Module 3, Adding a Data File, will take about 3 minutes. Use the video controls in your video player to play, pause, or rewind as we move along together. Let's get started. You should be at the main L7 Control Center. If you need to review how to log in, refer to Module 1 of the Quick Start Guide. A data file is a goal based on numeric values that detail targeted objectives and actual achievements. In other words, this is the numeric goal you're working towards and the actual achievement. The project file, which we will create in the next tutorial, allows you to create the milestones and the timeframes. Click on the plus sign next to the Overview folder to show the L7 list of key business areas. Now, click on the key business area you would like to create the data file for. Notice the options above the Files and Folders list. Click on the Add File button to add a data file in the folder you've chosen. In the Add File dialog box, choose the data file radial and name the data file you want to create. Then click Add. A new data file has been added to a Key Measures folder. Notice that a new slice specific to that key business area has been added to the pie chart. The next step is to add data to the file you've just created. To do this, either click on the file itself or on the newly created pie slice. Now you need to add your goals. Look at the top right. Click on the Add button. A new dialog box will open. You are going to name the milestone you wish to reach towards your overall data goal. Then click Add. A new area is created where you can track this part of your overall performance. You now need to add in a target date. Click on the Add button beneath the Date, Target, Actual L7 box. A new dialog appears. You are going to add in the date by clicking on the calendar icon. Choose the deadline date for this goal. Because this is a data file, you are going to add a target numeric. This can be dollars, percentage points, number of products sold, or any numeric specific to your goals. The actual numeric and L7 score are added at a later time based on your actual performance. Click Add. As you work towards your goal, use the Edit hyperlink to change the actual towards the goal. For example, click on Edit and change the actual to be 12.0. Notice how the score in the gauge view has changed. The L7 score is relative to target and actual data and indicates how well you've met your goals. A score of 7 indicates that strategic measures have been met or surpassed by 120% or more. A score of 6 indicates that goals were met at 100%. The L7 score descends consecutively with 1 being the lowest. The gauge color from green to red intuitively indicates your L7 score, with green being the highest. Repeat the same steps to add additional data files to the L7 system. When you've added your data files, click on the Overview to go back to the main screen. Open the next tutorial to learn more about the L7 system.